It's been 2 weeks since I'm using this Amazfit Bip 3 smartwatch, and now I have a clear idea of how this watch performs. So let's talk about all the pros, cons of this watch. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on the Bip 3 and Bip 3 Pro, you can head to the first link in the description below. Here I have the Bip 3. Now there is another version of this smartwatch which is Bip 3 Pro. The main difference between the two is GPS. On the Bip 3 Pro, you will get built-in GPS, so it will track accurate data and the path you took for the cycling, running, etc. So if you decided to pick this smartwatch and you need the GPS, then go with the Pro version. Getting that out of the way, let's talk about all the pros of this watch. First of all comes the display. It comes with a 2.5D tempered glass and anti-fingerprint coating, which makes the surface very smooth. Plus it is bright enough that direct sunlight wasn't a problem. Next is the data accuracy. A quick disclaimer, these are little smartwatches that can only do so much. We cannot compare them with medical equipment, so you must take their reading with a grain of salt. Having said that, we compared the Amazfit Bip 3 with the Apple Smartwatch Series 7 and the readings were quite comparable. With heart rate detection, it was 85 on the Apple Watch and 82 on the Amazfit, and for the SpO2 reading, it was 97% on the Apple Watch and 99% on the Amazfit. So yeah, we can consider the Amazfit's readings. Now for the IP rating, we get IP68 watt rating. Unlike Realme watches where they suggest you not to wear their watches while taking a bath, but Bip 3 has 5 ATM water resistance, so not only showers, you can also take this for swimming as well. Now the sad part is you don't get any swimming sports mode on the Bip 3. For that you have to get the Pro version where you get swimming tracking as well. The next feature that I like about the Bip 3 is the 60 sports mode. The best part is all of these are baked into the smartwatch, so it's not like you can only keep like 14 to 15 favorite sports mode. You can keep all of them right on the watch. Another major pro of this watch is that its battery life. On the watch we get 280 mAh battery, which took me around 1 hour and 45 minutes to charge full with a 5 volt and 1 ampere charger. Amazfit claims to have like a 7 days of battery backup for heavy users and 14 days of battery backup for light users. For me it gave me around like 12 days of battery backup of somewhat of a heavy user, which is a great battery backup. So if this kind of battery backup seems good to you, then you should go with this watch. One last feature I should mention before I forget is the 50+ watch faces. So you can go to their Zepp app and change them from there. Speaking of the Zepp app, it's decent app and you get every data with all the details. No device is perfect. Well, that's with the Bip 3 as well. So there are a couple of things that I should give you a heads up. First, I did mention that the display is smooth, but I found that it is prone to scratches. Now I don't know if I carelessly slammed this watch in the wall. As you can see, there are a couple of scratches on the watch. So if you get this watch or any smartwatch, I would recommend you buy a screen protector. Don't even think of taking it out of the box before putting a screen protector. Don't do that. Another thing I and some people found a bit annoying is the race to wake feature. It is slow to respond. Let me show you. The next con is more of a UI and interface. Generally on any smartwatch you have your menu in either one of the 4 directions, but here on the Bip 3 it is from the side button, which is inconvenient. Also the side button doesn't work as turning off the display. So if you are in a dim environment, something like a candle dinner, and you have your arms on the table, your watch will grab everyone's attention for how long you have set your watch timeout. Now should you buy this? Those were all the pros and cons that I found in the last 2 weeks, and I think now you have a clear idea of what to expect if you get this smartwatch. So if you are okay with these things, then I have the best deals link in the description below, from where you can grab the Bip 3 and the Bip 3 Pro and potentially save a couple of bucks. And if you aren't, then I have a like and a subscribe button down below for you as well. So you click on that and get notified for every other smartwatches video and reviews that I post right into your subscription boxes. Awesome, right? That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.